Welcome to the Enhanced Smart Grid Datahub. The purpose of this quick tour is to show you the new and enhanced features in the Datahub and also remind you that the basic workflow remains the same, and this is your primary mechanism for uploading SGIG Smart Grid data to the Datahub. So first of all, we'll start off by signing in with your sign-in credentials. So you'll go to the usual link and type in your username. And you'll notice a familiar looking table for submissions. Note the submissions tab up here in the upper left hand corner, as well as the project documentation tab. Project documentation is where you would upload related documents, and the submissions tab is where you submit your standard build and impact metric data. The basic layout of the table is the same as what you're used to. There's a couple of new features I'd like to point out though. You can filter on different fields. For instance, typically you'll want to see what's in a pending submission state for your projects. So you can filter on pending submission and you'll be shown only pending submissions. And if you're also just interested in working with a certain type of document, you can select, for instance, a build quarterly and filter it down to, in this case, we have one. So like to just kind of go through the basic process of downloading your submission filing. Then you'll do your normal data entry and then upload it for submission to the Datahub, review, and on to eventual acceptance. So the main difference that you'll notice here is the Actions button on the right. In the current version or the previous version, all the possible actions were links in a action column. What we've done here is collected all those into a pull-down menu from the Actions button. So typically the first thing you'd want to do is download the form. So you can see here this is the downloaded file from the build quarterly submission for Q4 2012. You could then basically open this up, edit it, include your updated data, and at which point you'd be ready to upload the file. When you're ready to upload, you would select the upload button. Just point out a few other things. The download validation, if you're using the XML format as opposed to the PFD or PDF or Excel version, you would use download validation. But for most users, you'll use download form. And then a new feature here is history. If you click on history, you can see all the history associated with this particular submission. In this case, it's a brand new submission, so it's basically just been put into the pending status, so this is the first action we will take with it. Alright, so let's now upload the file. You do that by selecting the upload action and then select submission. So once you've found the submission record that you'd like to upload your data for, you click on the upload action and use your system navigation to go to the form that you're ready to upload. In this case, I'll select this one. You can see the progress bar shows you the title of the submission that you're looking to upload. And then this is something new. Basically for impact semi-annual and impact baseline, there's some extra text in here that basically asks for an active decision. Yes, I agree that the data submitted is commercially valuable data, or no. Typically you'll probably want to click yes there, but that's up to you. And at which point you can click the submit button, and you'll notice the successful message up in the corner here. And that particular record has now moved from pending submission to submitted. So you can see here the top record for Baltimore Gas and Electric is the one that we just uploaded. at which point your job as a project team recipient is pretty much done. Your data has been submitted to the reviewers. They will review the data and validate it. If they have any questions, they'll get back to you. You can go through the typical review and update process. But at this point, that is how Smartgrid Datahub works. One other feature I'll point out real quickly is up here in the settings. If you ever need to change your password, you can click on settings and enter a new password there. And the other thing I'll point out, there's always the help link. So if you ever need help navigating the Datahub, you can always click on help. You can select manual data submissions, and there's a PDF version of everything that has been discussed in this video plus more. So anyway, you are now set to start using the enhanced Smartgrid Datahub, and good luck with your submissions. Thanks.